this video tutorial, we will see how to print number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and print this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, every line begins with space character. The space characters are gradually increasing from 0 to 8 in the range of 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And those space characters are appended with number characters. The number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 9 to 1 in the range of 2, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. Along with every number character, there is a space character, and we can divide this pattern into two parts. Let's type code to print this pattern. This is our triangle.py file. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We need one more variable. Initialize it with 5. We are going to use while loop here. While I less than the required number of iteration, which is 5. And at the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, and our iteration will stop here. Along with that, we are going to reduce j value by 1. So our j value will be 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. For this type of pattern, we are going to use nested while loop. Declare and initialize a variable k with 0, k is equal to 0. Nested while k less than the numbers in the first line, that is 9. So j into 2, which is going to give us 10, minus 1, which is going to give us 9. And at the end of this while loop, we are going to increase k value by 1. So our k value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It is for first iteration. Then for the next iteration, it will start from 0 to 6. Then for the third iteration, it will start from 0 to 4. And for fourth iteration, it will start from 0 to 2. And in the last iteration, fifth iteration, it will start from 0 and it will end with 0. Here, j into 2 minus 1 value will be 9, then 7, then 5, then 3, and 1. So let's print the space characters which begins with every line. We are going to combine two spaces here, and we are going to use I here. Here, I value will increase line by line. So in the first line, there are 0 space character, then 2, then 4, then 6 and 8. Now we are going to use AND parameter here of the print method to continue printing these numbers in the same line. So let's print these numbers. Print j minus k and separate them with a space character in the same line. Now this line is going to print the numbers, these numbers, and this line is going to print the space which begins before this number. Now after printing this line we need one enter, otherwise it is going to continue everything in the same line. Let's see this py